Welcome and hello students. In this video, I will explain about completing the square method. This method is used to solve quadratic equations. So let's see the first example here. Given x squared plus 12x minus 35 equals to 0. Now we need to solve this equation by using completing the square method. So in this method, the first step is always to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the coefficient of x squared in this general form is a. So in using completed square method, we must make sure that this a value is 1. So as for the first example, the a value is already 1, so we can skip the first step. Okay, the next step is to move the constant term to the right side. So this is the constant term. Constant term now is negative 35. So we need to move this number to the other side. So x squared plus with 12x equals to 35. The next step is to add one term in our left side to complete the square of this equation, of this expression. Okay, so just copy back x squared plus 12x and then please leave some space here equals to 35. So to complete the square of x squared plus 12x, we need to plus with this coefficient of x divided by 2 power of 2. Since we plus this number in our left side, so we must balance the equation. On our right side, we must also plus with 12 over 2 power of 2. And the next step is to simplify the value in the bracket. X squared plus 12x plus with, so this is 6 power of 2. Only simplify the value inside the bracket. 35 plus with 6 square. Okay, now we can factorize the left side expression, this expression here. We can factorize into x, and you take this number, the number inside the bracket, this number, and put it into this bracket here. So since this is positive 6, so in this bracket we should put plus 6 and then square equals to 35 plus with, this one you can simplify, 36. Okay, now we have completed the square of this equation. So the next step is just to solve this equation. So x plus 6 square equals to, this one you can simplify this into 71. And then x plus 6 equals to square root of 71. So x plus 6 equals to plus minus of square root 71. Okay, since we have plus minus here, so we have two solutions of this problem. So the first solution is x plus 6 equals to positive of 71. And another solution is x plus 6 equals to negative 71. So now we just to solve we just need to solve for the x value. So the first x value is 71 minus with 6, and for this one it is x equals to negative 71 minus with 6. So the final answer is 2.4261, or x equals to negative 14.4261. Let's try the second example. This example, given 3x squared plus 18x minus 12 equals to 0. And we need to solve this equation by using completing the square method. Okay, so first step is to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So for this example, the coefficient of x squared is 3. So we must make this number become 1. So we can divide the whole equation with 3. So this divided by 3, this one also divided by 3, this one also divided by 3, and 0 also divided by 3. So the new equation is x squared plus 6x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, the next step is to move the constant term to the right side. So x squared plus 6x equals to 4. And the next step is to complete the square of this by adding this value, the coefficient of x, positive 6, divided by 2 square, equals to 4. So since we add this new term here, we must balance this equation. So in our right side, we also must plus with 6 over 2 square. Okay. Next, you just simplify the value inside the bracket. So x squared plus 6x plus 3 square equals to 4 plus 3 square. Okay, now we must factorize this. So this expression can be factorized into x. Okay, and you take the value inside this bracket here. So since this is positive 3, so plus with 3 and then square outside the bracket. So equals to 4 plus, this one you can simplify into 9. So now we have completed the square. So the next step is just to solve this equation. So x plus 3 square equals to 13. So x plus 3 equals to third of 13. X plus 3 equals to plus minus third of 13. So we also have two solutions for this problem. So the first one is x plus 3 equals to positive of 13, and another one is x plus 3 equals to negative of 13. Now you just need to solve for x value. So x is 13 minus 3, and for this one, x is negative 13 minus 3. So the final answer is x equals to 0.6056, or x equals to negative 6.6056. Okay, so that's it for completing the square method. So please try the tutorial questions. And if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, thank you.